What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick video just as a channel update. I want to take a look at a couple tokens, take a look at what's going to happen next, and briefly, if you don't mind, I'd like to explain why it's been a little over a week since I made my last video. Last week, my buddy, my 14-year-old husky, who is arthritic, diabetic, and blind, was attacked by another dog in my front yard. My wife was walking him out front, and we just have a really short leash, so we guide him, kind of like step him where to go, and kind of keep him in a generally small area. But there was a large mixed breed dog, I don't know what it was, that was being walked by like an 8-year-old, and I really feel bad for the kid because the kid just got like dragged down the street. Once the dog saw my dog, he just dragged this kid down the street and attacked. I've got some pictures, or a picture here, so it's a little graphic, so sorry. But yeah, so my dog got stitches, had some tubes in his neck, and then my wife breaking them up, or not really breaking them up, just getting the other dog off my dog, hurt her back. So it's just been a long week. There's been a lot going on, a lot of late nights and early mornings, and you know, getting a dog to take antibiotics and stuff like that is just it's tough. And plus, he's older and his legs didn't really want to work for a while with the pain medication. So, you know, anybody who's been on high dose pain meds know that like you get really kind of lethargic. And when it's a dog and it's an older dog, his legs are already bad. It made for a tough week. He's doing better now. My wife is doing better. Everyone is good. We're all good, luckily. So I'm happy for that. But I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. If you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Follow me on X if you like as well, at Fleetwood Trades. I don't post there as often as I like, but I will be posting there more often very soon. So we'll take a look at charts, take a look at pikamoon, and I'm really just only focused on the recent swing low from July. Looks like it was July 22nd. We haven't hit that yet. Many coins in August did break through a swing low and made a lower low. Pikamoon has yet to do so. If it doesn't, that will be a good sign of strength, though I'm starting to just concede to the fact that we are not going to see any major market moves in any of these smaller altcoins until probably October. We're probably going to bounce around sideways through September, or at least through the rest of this month, unless there's some crazy news. If we get a rate cut in September, I really don't even know what a rate cut would do, because honestly, rate cuts typically has shown market downturns in the traditional markets, but I don't know if I don't really recall major market cut moves, like recessionary type moves, during any type of a crypto cycle. The last one I recall was 2008, 2009, in which crypto didn't really exist yet. So I don't know how this is going to react. But I do believe October, November will be the start when we start seeing big bull market runs. We start seeing big moves to the upside. And already, as we can see, we've got some good movement here for the day. Pikamoon's up almost 6%. Shrapnel's up 17, almost 18%. That's a really nice move for Shrap, but it was down so far. Like, you take a look, like it finally broke all the way down through below its initial entry point, or its initial listing. And Shrapnel got down to 2 cents. I can't imagine if you were somebody who bought it up here and you thought you bought the dip at 27 cents. Like, that's insane, because you literally got from 45 down to 27. You got an almost 50% dip, and you feel like you bought the dip, and now it's at 3 cents. That's tough, and that's just where the market is. And that's why when people have made comments on my videos about losing money on pikamoon. Yes, if you sell right now, you've lost a lot of money, but there's absolutely zero reason to sell. Even if you bought the very top of Pika, even if you bought this very top price and you're in at 0.005, trust me, you will still be able to 10, maybe 20x from this price. It's going to happen at some point. These alts will take off. They will fly. This is nowhere near an all-time high, or as of right now, it literally is, but this is nowhere near where the all-time high will be. Oh wow, and AVAX is pumping. This is awesome for my long, and I told you guys in my last video, I believe it was my last video, I put in my last position on AVAX at like 1770. So my break-even point was around 23 even. So I'm at 24.40, so I'm up a good bit now on AVAX. Should be up around 5% on a 3x long. Let me check that real quick, and I'm up 10% on a 3x long, so I'm looking pretty good right now. I do expect this to, depending on what happens in September, like this could get up here and reject off this channel again. Or if it breaks this channel and starts to make a move up, then September will be our up month, and we'll start seeing alts really start pushing up in September. I'm not making that call yet because I'm in a sit and wait mode because I've already made all my purchases. I've already entered on these lows. I've entered what I feel like is enough money to where I will be in a good position to sit back and wait and just watch the markets go. So the last thing I want to talk about before we get off of here, two things actually. The mini games are fantastic. The mini games are a ton of fun. They're engaging. I'm going to link the median article for the games, for the leaderboards, how the payouts work, the payout structure. I'll link that if anybody hasn't seen it yet and wants to read it. But the pikamoon mini games are actually fun. I love Pika Dash, Pika Ball, Pika Hop. Pika Explorer is okay. It's just not really my cup of tea, but it's not a bad game. I played it. It was engaging. It just wasn't really my style of game, and I don't play chess. So 3 out of the 5 were good for me, and I think that's a really good. I think that it gives you a really good opportunity to find even 1 or 2 of those games that you really like. Hopefully you like all of them. You get on the leaderboard, you get on the grand leaderboard, you make some money, you make some Pika. There's a monthly payout, there's a yearly payout, and the grand leaderboard payout. So again, I'll link that in the median. I leave for vacation on the 31st. I'll be back September 7th, so I might make another video between now and then. But when I get back on the 7th, the following week, I will start a trading account, a crypto trading, just a small dollar trading account to see how well we can manage a small dollar trading account, and those will be like morning trading sessions or whenever I can get on and see, do some charting, and might go live. Just depends on how many people actually watch it. Last time I tried to go live, it was just like 1 person. I think it might have been me watching myself on another channel. So that's it, guys. That's it for the day. Hope you guys have a good one. As always, until next time, peace.